no.
Marcus plays the rude guy.
Yeah.
Sneezing without blocking it all.
Yeah, that's the thing, the roads weren't bad, it was the wind and the whiteouts, you couldn't see.
Round two.
Yeah.
Laura covers her mouth with her hands. Just like Mom always said, she can't block it all, and some of it landed 3.5 feet away. And look at all of that on Laura's hands. Disgusting. Round three. What about that new move we've been advised to use?
Well, Amy said, you know, when this is all said and done, if everybody is okay, I hope that he learns something.
Parts
That's
of
all
that
she
sneeze
wanted.
landed 8.5 feet away.
Yeah,
So if you're spreading germ
that's
sneezing,
good.
even when covering your mouth and sneezing into your elbow, is there anything you can do? Grab a tissue. Believe it or not, with Marcus sneezing right into the tissue, we found nothing getting through. There you have it. Good sometimes.
Oh yeah.